Welcome to World Quiz. Common cold is caused by when a ship floats on water. Which gas is more likely to escape from the atmosphere at higher altitudes? Transfer of heat by convection takes place in a red ball appears red because seawater is highly conducting because with the present-day advance in medical techniques, transplants are possible in all of the following except a transistor is most likely to be found in a person born with the inner ear missing. The possibility of hereditary variation is greatest when an electric bell is placed inside a bell jar which is connected to a vacuum pump when the bell jar is completely evacuated. How can the spherical aberration of a human eye be corrected? Astigmatism of a human eye can be removed by using primary rainbow is formed when light suffers. Liquids transmit pressure equally in all directions. This is known as on sudden cardiac arrest, which of the following is advised as a first step to revive the functioning of human heart? The working of a rocket is based on the principle of buoyancy depends on. If speed of rotation of the earth increases, weight of the body. Steel is more elastic than rubber because. Which of the following is based on the process of fusion? Hybridization is. Of the following foods, which one is the best source of protein? Escape velocity of a rocket fired from the Earth towards the Moon is the velocity to get rid of the. Which of the following acts of a resistance against disease in the body? The chief purpose of crop rotation is to check the loss of topsoil. The reaction which converts sugar solution into alcohol is an example of. The RH factor refers to. The greatest value of bees to mankind is in. Penicillin is widely used as. Excessive secretion from the pituitary gland in children results in. Weight of an object put in a satellite orbiting in a space around the Earth is. Mirage observed on a road on hot summer days is a consequence of. Which of the following in the human body is popularly called the Adam's apple? When a moving bus stops suddenly, the passengers are pushed forward because of the. An eye defect which usually results from an unequal curvature of the cornea is. photoelectric cell converts, which of the following sounds cannot be heard by human ear? Pressure cooker cooks rice faster because in which of the following pairs the two substances forming the pair are chemically most dissimilar? In which season do we need more fat? Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because small amounts of iodine are necessary in our diet too. The acoustical engineer is chiefly concerned with photophobia is cancer is a disease which out of the following organs does not eliminate waste products from the body? Superconductivity is the phenomenon in which the resistance of a substance the method of estimating the age of the crust of the earth, which is now believed to be the most accurate, makes use of the rate of an element common to all acids is which of the following vitamins is stored in the liver? The purest form of water can be obtained from the moon has no atmosphere because Rows of trees grown along the coastal areas to reduce the impact of cyclones are known as the element of an electric stove is made of when cream is separated from milk. On a night when the sky is clear, the temperature may dip considerably. On a cloudy night, the temperature will usually dip much less. The reason for this difference is that different forms of a chemical element are called which one of the following may be regarded as hazardous waste? Soda water is saturated with which of the following gases? Which one of the following is responsible for avalanches in snow-clad mountains? Which of the following parts of the sunlight makes the solar cooker hot? For the satellite to remain in orbit around the Earth, a small weight put on a pressure cooker increases the pressure of the steam because which of the following is used in the recently developed technology for communication? Nights are cooler in the desert because for digestion of fat, bile is needed. This is secreted by the all of the following are plant products except which of the following diseases is generally spread by fleas? most commonly used bleaching agent is? For purifying drinking water, alum is used. A weather balloon is not fully inflated on the ground because vitamin B is most useful for combating